Now we are continuing the video of ignou MBA ms08 E11. Okay, from the last video, I told you that the portion is continued in the next one. So we are continuing this. Here the x variables and the f variables are here, and we wrote down the cumulative frequencies also. Now how to find out a Q1 class? To find a Q1 class, the formula is size of n by 4th item. The value of n is total of frequency. So just take the total of this frequency column, which is 204. That is the value of n. Apply the value here, size of 204 divided by 4th item. When you divide 204 by 4, you get 51. So the answer is size of 51st item or 51th item. Okay, after getting this, we have to look into the cumulative frequency column and check in which cumulative frequency this 51th item is covered. Come to this cumulative frequency column and we see that the 54 is the cumulative frequency which you can cover this 51st item. Isn't it? The 54 is the cumulative frequency which covers the 51st item, and its corresponding x variable is 2030. Okay, so we can write it here. 51st, this 50 on the item lies in the cumulative frequency 54, and the corresponding x variable is 2030. Okay, corresponding x variable is 2030. Therefore, the Q1 class is 2030. Now we got the Q1 class, and from the Q1 class we can find out the exact value of Q1. In order to get the Q1 value, we have to apply the next formula. Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus Cf divided by f into C. Okay, L1 means the lower limit of the Q1 class. We got the Q1 class as 2030 here. So its lower limit is 20. Right? So the value of L1 is equal to 20. Okay, now the value of n by 4. We already found out the value of n by 4 here. The value of n by 4 is 51. So it is written here n by 4 is equal to 51. So what is the value of Cf? We know that Cf is the cumulative frequency just above the Q1 class, isn't it? So which is the Q1 class here? 2030. Take 2030 and the cumulative frequency just above this is 29. Okay, so Cf value is 29. Then F value, frequency of the Q1 class. Frequency of the Q1 class is 25. 2030 Q1 class, and its the frequency 25. So 25 is the frequency. Then C means class difference. Class difference means 2030 is the Q1 class and its the difference, which is 10. So 10 is the class difference. Now we got all the values L1, Cf, n by 4, F, C, everything is here. We are applying this here. The value of L1, which is 20, then n by 4, 51 minus Cf, 29 divided by F, 25 into 10. 51 minus 21, so 29 provides the 22, divided by 25 gives you 0.88 into 10, then 20 plus 8.8, so 28.8 is the value of Q1. Okay, now we are moving to find out the Q3 class. Q3 class is equal to size of 3 into n by 4th item. Okay, therefore size of 3 into the value of n here is 204, we know that. So 204 divided by 4th item. 204 divided by 4 into 3 gives a 153. So size of 153 item. Now we look into the cumulative frequency. That means in which cumulative frequency this 153 is covered. When we look into that, this 167 can cover 153, isn't it? So this 153rd item is covered in the cumulative frequency in 167, and is the corresponding x variable, which is 6070. Right? So the Q3 class is 6070. It is written here. This 153rd item lies in the cumulative frequency 167, and the corresponding x value is 6070. Therefore, Q3 class is 6070. Okay. Now from this 6070, we have to find out the Q3 value. To get this Q3 value, we have to apply this formula. Q3 is equal to L1 plus 3 into n by 4 minus Cf divided by F into C. The value of L1, we know that we go to 60, 70 as the Q3 class. So the lower limit of the class is 60. It is written here 60, L1 value 60, and 3 into n by 4. It is calculated here 3 into n by 4, which is 153. So the value of 3 into n by 4 is equal to 153. Now CF means cumulative frequency just above the class, isn't it? Our class is 6070. So 6070 is our class. Just above cumulative frequency is 145. So it is written here cumulative frequency is equal to 145. Now F is the frequency of the class. 6070 is the class, and its frequency is 22. It is written here 22. C is the class difference. The class is 6070. 60 and 70, their difference is 10. So C is 10. Now we are applying these values here. L1 60 plus 3 into n by 4, which is 153, minus CF, which is 145, divided by F 22 into C 10. 153 minus 145 provides 8. 8 divided by 22 provides the 0.363 into 10, 3.63. It is added with the 60. Then you get 63.63. So 63.63 is the value of Q3. Okay. To clear any doubts, just WhatsApp your details to this number 924 9966765. Okay.